Rico Mafia.
Doing what I don't wanna do. I'm sinning, forgive me, but I just do what I gotta do. And all I know, to all the bullshit, I'm bulletproof. Gotta stay on my toes, know any nigga that's bulletproof. And I just take what my father gave me. I ain't know what I had up in me till I found the patience. Ever since then, I've been kicking shit right back to basics. Since a youngin', we been like some old heads. We don't act the ages, figures flipping pages. You niggas stuck up on the same shit, constipated losers. Y'all are fucking with the same bitch. My figures on the same shit. More broccoli, what we making? Patiently, you stankin'. It's a rap race to the cheddar. We so focused, switching lanes and you gotta get it though. You say it's wrong, that's all we know. Fuck how you living, ho. Put it in a song, now you see me. My verse is spiritual. Pray for a miracle. Cause all it take is one person just to listen, take in some real shit and go and distribute all that hate and the shit. Man, you could go and take it with you. I was raised around some bosses, so the way I come off different. I come off different. And I just talked to Don Juan, he said to stay in the books, kid. You gotta mind just like your dad, he was in the streets, ruthless. But he finesse that school shit. Never went no dumb niggas, can't fuck with niggas, they be on that stupid shit. Leaving niggas super quick, bitch, I'm in the fast lane, it's a rat race to the cheddar. I'm a young OG, bitch, I'm in the trap lane, I ain't got time for no beef. I'm a young OG, chasing broccoli, fuck fame, I ain't tryna be in these streets. I'm a young OG, bitch, I got good aim, I got good aim. I'm so rowdy, do you know why I keep snapping? All this fuck shit got me going crazy, that's why I stopped trapping. Gotta get myself together, too much going on around me. Gotta focus on myself, but my brother's still around me. Do you know why I'm so rowdy? Do you know why I keep snapping? All this fuck shit got me going crazy, that's why I stopped trapping. Gotta get myself together, too much going on around me. Gotta focus on myself, but my brother's still around me.